Aloha everybody, this is David with another home brewing series video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make pour-over coffee using a ceramic dripper. First, take a number 2 filter and fold it along its seam. Place it into the brewer and rinse it with some fresh, hot water. This gets rid of any papery taste from the filter and warms everything up. Next, boil 12 ounces of water and measure out 4 tablespoons of medium ground coffee. The grind size should look similar to raw or granulated sugar. Once the kettle turns off, add the grounds to the dripper, then pour 2 ounces of freshly boiled water into the brew chamber and wait 40 seconds. This is called the bloom. As the grounds soak up the water, they release CO2 and get ready for extraction. Next, slowly pour the remaining water into the brew chamber in concentric circles. This ensures that all the grounds are extracted evenly. After the water finishes flowing through the bed of grounds, your brew is done. When you see a slow drip out the bottom, remove the brewer and enjoy your expertly made pour-over coffee.